Fred. Gotta take you higher. Ow! All right. You wanna do it again? You wanna do it again, huh?
Yeah, let's do one more time.
Gotta take you higher. Fred, brother.
Yeah.
Now I want everybody, let Fred blow about 2 choruses, and then I want to wave you in. Let's go and do that with this now, all right?
Yeah. All right.
I'm gonna get that fella with the little horn over there. You know, James?
Ladies and gentlemen, your attention, please. For the protection of the players, coaches, umpires, and other fans, and in the spirit of good sportsmanship,